Have you ever felt like you're constantly being told to change who you are just to make everyone else feel comfortable? Yeah, me too. But maybe the problem isn't you at all. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we help young adult autistics toward independence. Real independence, the kind that works for you autistics. Not just fitting in, not just surviving, but thriving. Today's topic is simple but powerful. Change your environment. Again, I say, change your environment, not you. Parents of autistic children work very hard to help their children fit in, to be normal, to be that kind of person that fits into society. You probably are now about as normalized as you'll ever be. By the time you're an adult, your parents have normalized you just about as far as they can. And now it's up to you. Now, as an adult, you have autonomy. You can make your own decisions, and that means it's time to learn new coping skills. Ones that actually put you back in control. The skill is this: change the environment to meet your needs. Do not keep trying to twist yourself into a shape that doesn't fit. Shift your surroundings to support your success. Practical examples of this: are you sensitive to light? Try sunglasses, even indoors. Are you sensitive to sound? Earplugs, noise canceling headphones, and white noise machines can help with this. Do smells bother you? Change to unscented products. Now, I'm not here to give you a laundry list of sensory tips. There's whole books and blogs and things on that. My point is this: learn to be sensitive to your environment. Notice what is draining you. Name your triggers. Then do something about them. Change your lighting. Adjust your work hours. Rearrange your space. Communicate your boundaries. Because when your environment supports you, life stops being a huge uphill battle. You feel better, more productive, and less anxious. That's a win every time. This isn't about making excuses. It's about building a world around you that you can thrive in. One that honors who you are, because you weren't made just like everyone else. You were born different to make a difference. If this message resonated with you, please offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithm god. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you, don't change yourself. Change your environment. And as always, you were born different to make a difference. Go make that difference today. Thank you.